Follow these tips to operate and clean your Avantco Planetary mixer. Before changing the speed of your mixer, stop the machine to avoid damaging the gearbox. Always use the correct attachment for the job you're performing. The whisk is suitable for mixing liquids and soft ingredients. The flat beater is ideal for mixing dry ingredients. Do not run the machine with these attachments on for more than 15 minutes. The dough hook is ideal for mixing dough. Do not run the machine with this attachment on for more than 20 minutes. This attachment can work at low and medium speeds only. When mixing dough, check your absorption ratio, water weight divided by flour weight. Please refer to your manual's mixer capacity chart for more information. Before cleaning your mixer, unplug your machine. All new mixer bowls and accessories should be washed before use. Wash with hot water and a mild soap solution, and then rinse off with either a mild vinegar or soda solution. Rinse again with clean water. Clean your mixer daily with a clean, damp cloth. Finally, it's important that the rear bowl lift guides are greased every 3 months to prevent corrosion. By using these tips, you can help ensure the longevity of your unit.